not fucking thinking. Oh my god. Yeah, snow like this and...
Oh, and now he's spinning. Okay, we're spinning. And we're going to get hit. This guy's going to kick, he's going to counter back. He's not. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You are a moron.
You fucking idiot.
Keep that head nodded, but nothing but laid back, lo-fi beats. Tap into sex.
Europe fears widespread economic fallout if Russian gas outage drags on. It turns out that when you pursue environmental policy at the cost of actual things happening in the world today, what you end up doing is empowering some of the world's worst human beings, like, for example, Vladimir Putin and the administration over in Russia. According to the Wall Street Journal,
Getting up and moving your body shouldn't be a daily struggle. Move with ease. Try Bioceuticals Ultra Muscle Ease. With an advanced formulated blend of magnesium that can help relieve muscle cramps when dietary intake is inadequate. Ask your healthcare professional about the Ultra Muscle Ease range today and see what works for you. Move with ease. Bioceuticals Ultra Muscle Ease. Always read the label and follow the directions for use.
Triple M Cricket's Player Spotlight for Cricket Australia.
Go the Aussies!
Marnus Labuschagne.
The bright and bubbly Marnus Labuschagne is always in the game.
Thursday she wanted to go eat somewhere, and she's like, well,
there's a fucking hammer bouncing around on the highway. Oh shit. And I got cut off by a truck. Got it on camera though. There was a hammer bouncing around on the highway. And I was looking at it, and the next thing I know, you know where you split off to go.
fuck thing. Is there a reason you can't slow down behind me? Huh? You can't slow down behind me? You know, there's no guy pushing you. You're driving, right? You're driving, right? You have control of your vehicle? Okay. That is not how you pull over and stop. You need space? I need space too, right? I'm a grandfather. I have 4 grandkids. You want to be responsible for me having to go out and get hit by some other asshole? So respect me. Respect. I work for a living. I'm a fucking electrician. I barely have a day off to come out and ride. I gotta put up with you that can't wait 2 seconds to pull over. Leave me some space, man. Don't fucking do it to me. Just say you're fucking sorry, man. Tell me you won't fucking do it again to somebody. Please, brother. I'm telling you as just a person. Don't fucking drive like that. It takes 2 seconds to fucking save a life, man. You have a big truck, right? Right. You have a lot more weight to slow down traffic than I do. What am I? I'm exposed to everything. You got all this protection. Okay. Protect me like you protect your grandkids in here. All right, sir. I promise. Please. Yes, promise. Good day, my friend.